Welcome, here I've got NOKIA 3.4 and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's focus now on this button. By just one tap here we can turn on motion photo, another tap to turn it off, and when we have this turned on we can get 2 in 1 when we take a picture, the photo and the short clip. Let me show you how it works, so let me take a picture. And now let's move to the right to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery. And this is the photo with the short clip. We can stop it here by tapping on this button to stay on the picture or play it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.